Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the device whose name you want to change is powered and Bluetooth is on. Once done, make sure the device is paired or at least visible to the host so the rename option appears. Now open the host's Bluetooth settings. On phones, that's settings Bluetooth. On a PC, use the system Bluetooth panel. You're doing this because only the host system's Bluetooth settings expose the editable name field, so get straight to that screen now. You'll now locate the specific device entry in the list of paired or available devices. Once visible, tap the item on a phone or right-click on a computer, then choose Rename, Edit, or Device Details depending on platform. Type the new name into the field. Pick something short and recognizable so other devices can display it cleanly. If the option is grayed out, make sure the device is connected or paired. Connection often save or confirm the new name and then disconnect and reconnect the Bluetooth link so both sides refresh the displayed label. You do this because many systems only update the visible name when a connection cycle occurs. If the name doesn't change, reboot both devices and repair the connection. That resolves most cache or state problems. If it still fails, check the device's firmware or manufacturer app. Some hardware locks the advertised name and requires a vendor tool to change it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.